What is that? What is that?
It's this guy, he made up a word and like goes around like the public saying "Ñaño."
Hey y'all, welcome to my behind the scenes video of behind the scenes.
You have to bleep that.
Behind. What we're gonna do, we're making a YouTube. No, I'm joking. This is not a YouTube video. This is a school assignment, and I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna record you guys how to okay. Ñaño. Ready? Come play. Come on. I'm gonna record it like this way, guys. You guys are playing. That's it. So I'm gonna record like a wide shot on my phone.
This idiot did not tell you what the video is about, so I'm going to tell you what the video is about. The video is about a school assignment that I have to do. I have to pick 4 objects that have meaning to me. Very simple, very basic object. Problem is, I didn't record the videos for the other 2 scenes, so technically I only recorded 2 behind the scenes. Anyway, if you find the white rabbit, it's a really small little white rabbit in the video, leave in the comments. You have to be the first one. If you're the first one, I'll take a comment of the first person that finds it. I'm gonna put a strap on my chest, and for the next video, I'm gonna wear that comment on my chest.
I had to pick 4 objects that mean something to me. I picked cards. Okay, so
I have 2 back-to-back jacks.
Okay, why are you looking at it? You're not supposed to look at it.
Yeah. Quarterback.
Yahoo! Here, ready? Here. I'm gonna keep it still. Dusty, keep it. You're in there.
Oh, okay. I do have to take it back.
And then in post, I'm gonna cut it and zoom it in. I'm gonna post a shot. Them, these idiots play games.
Yahoo!
Martin can say Wahoo. Oh no! Oh.
Yahoo! Why is your phone so yellow?
Because I'm on night shift mode. It's a pro tip, get night shift.
Should we do the jokers as well?
Why are you taking a shot at my ball?
Yahoo!
I don't want to do it.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Okay, you guys done shopping? Shit, the lighting. So horrendous. No, keep going.
This is so sloppy today.
Here is about paper and how the object of papers allows to create. Shoot!
Actually,
Wait, you have your books and present.
Good.
Can you get yourself ready, please? This is what you're gonna follow me, okay? Okay. So firstly, I'm gonna come in slowly like this. The reason why I'm coming slowly is because I'm trying to introduce this stupid actor right here.
Okay, but make sure it doesn't show my name.
I won't. Okay?
Yahoo!
You're supposed to be studying. Chop. Okay. That's one. Let me see it.
Let me see.
Okay, come on. Hurry up. School assignments. Am I right version? Let's try to view like this. I'm recording.
Ew, you're disgusting.
So now what I'm doing is I'm going from far to close. Close. I mean, that's how they do it in movies, right? Okay, right?
If it shows my background, then I'm suing you.
You're studying. You're looking at it. Can you stop laughing? I'm doing unique angles because I'm unique. It's so quiet.
Don't put that in.
Who? What info? Let's see.
I just coughed.
Okay, so I want to get like a different angle. Whoosh, whoosh. What can we get from the top? Brushing your shadows in the way. Come behind. I got the idea. 2 close-up shots. Russian, what do you think the next shot should be? Right, even closer. I'm not being crazy, but cut. 3, 2, 1. Wait, do that again. Yeah, close it and then go. Wait, I'm trying to get some. Make sure do it like very dramatic. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoosh. Okay, ready? Next, actually finishing the plane. Please do this right. If you don't, I'll kill you.
Wait.
What would you do to the people that haven't subscribed to my channel?
Punch him in the face.
And then?
Yahoo!
Yep. Okay, you're still gonna make it. And then when I come here, I'm gonna throw it at the camera. If you don't hit the camera, then I'm gonna have to fire you.
So when do I do it?
Space. Okay, come on, you're not getting paid. Okay, that's a wrap. It often goes neglected. Too much time indoors can leave you stuck, but through this you find peace and tranquility. Oftentimes it can get overwhelmingly bland, unsatisfyingly annoying, the same boring thing every day, but this is what nourishes us with love.
Oh, okay. I do it. Do I have to take it?
No, it's from my phone. Did we run out?
It can be easy to tune into the latest episode on Netflix, passed by a great chance to bond with family and friends, but when there's nothing, this is what turns a boring night into a great memory. We use it every day. It often gets passed by like it's nothing. Even though it gets us A pluses and helps us do it in class, through this, we can create our wildest dreams.